In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a PayPal invoice quickly and easily. You'll find that in just 5 minutes you can have your invoice ready to send, making this an efficient way to handle payments for your business or freelance work. Starting off, make your way over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll spot the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed further. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your PayPal account, so have those details handy. After that, simply click on Login to enter your account. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the Business Tools section. This is where you can find the invoicing feature among other useful business functionalities. You may need to click on Show All if you don't see the invoicing option straight away. It can be easy to overlook, but PayPal conveniently groups tools to aid in managing payments under the Request Payments section. Now you should spot Invoicing. Click on it to open the invoicing dashboard. Here you'll be greeted by a Get Started button. Hit that to initiate the invoicing process. You'll then come across an option to create new invoice. Selecting this will lead you to a form where you'll enter your customer's details. It's crucial here to be precise. Input the customer's email and any other relevant information to ensure the invoice reaches the correct recipient. Following this, you delve into the invoice's contents area. This is where you'll describe the items or services you're billing for, add in the quantities and specify the prices. Take your time to ensure everything is accurately represented to avoid confusion later on. You're also provided options to customize the invoice slightly. Perhaps you'd like to add your business logo for that professional touch, or maybe take advantage of one of PayPal's templates for consistency across invoices. You might even wish to include a message to the customer, adding a personal note or specific delivery instructions. Before you hit send, it's always wise to preview your invoice. This is your opportunity to catch any errors, ensuring what the customer receives is flawless. Once you're satisfied, send the invoice to your customer. PayPal will handle the delivery, making it as seamless as possible for both you and the recipient. Finally, PayPal offers another handy feature post-creation, the ability to share a direct link to your invoice. This means if the initial email doesn't suffice, you can easily provide the recipient with an alternate way to view and action the invoice. With all these steps completed, you've efficiently created and sent a PayPal invoice, streamlining your payment process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.